All right. So today in this session, we are going to some market analysis and question answer. And for the back testing, I will make separate video because I have received some request based on members that everyone saying that you have to create a back testing video, 2, 3 videos, which will be helpful to all members because everyone can relate and back test. Greeting from Noida. Okay, hello. All right. Yes, sir. Answer meetup. Not now, but maybe in the future I will think about it. Sure. Yes. In a Bareilly. Sure. Salam sir from Pakistan. Walaikum salam. I will fly to India. Sure. Okay. So let's start some quick market recap. And after that, I will start quick question answer. And you can also unmute yourself when I will start question answer. Okay. All right. So start from the GBP USD chart. Let me delete first one is here. Look at the daily time frame structure. What happening here in a daily time frame? Right. So market momentum was completely bearish and now trying to recover to the upside. So when market can be go higher, right? So right now momentum is completely looking for the ready to upside. So you have to mark your structure. As you know, these are previous structure was here, right? And this one is our lowest point was here, correct? So what happened here? Market pick the first recent high, which one is here, and this one is our change of factor, as you know. And market confirm this is our higher high is here. Let's check this one, this high sweep or not. No, these are equal high, correct? So in future, maybe market can go higher. If both high are equal, then you can mark this one because this is our latest high, correct? And this higher high is a confirm when market taken out of the inducement. Inducement is here. This one is our internal structure right now here because the previous candle low sweep here. Okay, so this become our valid inducement at this point. So once market taken out the inducement, when we can buy here, we can buy on this candle, which one is here, but this candle is already mitigated by this one. But if you check here, this shadow is unmitigated just below it. Okay, so market sharply broken this one. So when we can expect a next move, we can expect if price continue push downside and create any inducement, then we are willing to sell here for the short term before to go higher, right? Let's check in a 15-minute time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, same thing happening here. Market momentum is bearish and market taken out the inducement is here, right? And then market mitigate something here, which is here. I think this one. No, this is not. And maybe this can be a session timing here. Let's check this one. Yes, sir. Asian bullish, London bullish, and New York reversal. Correct. So right now you have to wait for to taken out the inducement before the enter here. create high, and then push downside. If market taken out the small momentum, then market gives you a small move to the downside. Correct. But this is a internal range between this high or low, right? And maybe market taken out this high because this is a valid proper pullback and then gives you a small pullback. Always remember, a small inducement gives you a small move, and major inducement, major move gives you major move to the downside. We use a small and inducement to confirm higher high and to confirm the structure, lower low, lower high, everything. Correct. So we can expect in a ZPUSD continuation in a downside as per the 15-minute time frame, and higher time frame looking for the reversal to the upside as per daily time frame. Now switch here again in a gold. Today I will finish the all like major pair in next 20 minutes. Okay, and after that I will start question answer, which will be more helpful for everyone, right? So I'm just giving you overview what about market we can expect in a next week, right? So look at the daily time frame first. In a daily time frame, gold chalk here, taken out the inducement, tap on your order block, which one is here, right? So price can be tapped here, and then we can expect a upside move, and this one is our HL liquidity, and these two PI here when we can expect next move to the upside. So press tap here and gives you any reversal move something like this, then you can definitely sell here, right? If market respect this one and gives you any change of character, then definitely you can buy below it, right? So this is a daily time frame, and you have to wait for additional confirmation at least 1 hour, right, as per the daily time frame structure. But if you are buy sell in a 15-minute, then 1 minute is enough for the entry. Correct. If I switch here in a 15-minute time frame, then you can see momentum is completely bearish. This is previous high which is taken out, and this entire zone act like a liquidity sieve is here, right? Let's see. Okay, and then what happened here? Market continue pushing downside. This high is, I think, sweep here, partially sweep or not, I don't know exactly. Let me check first. I think this is a equal high, right? Okay. So you can buy or sell after taking out the inducement. But what happened here at this point? Take this low, taken out this inducement, and then market mitigate this side and push downside. And same process will be applicable here. If market taken out any inducement right now, there is only one inducement is here, and then possible to the downside. And just above this one is also inducement, but these are very minor inducement, and these inducement we use to confirm the lower low, higher high in a structure way. To confirm the anti market must be taken out the major inducement, which will be a larger, okay, larger move. Okay, so right now momentum is bearish, and you have to wait for to create complete structure, complete zone to mitigate POI, then you can take entry. Right now, there is no entry plan in as per the 15-minute. Let's check BTC USDT. BTC USD is also bearish. Let's check first of all in a daily time frame. So daily time frame structure is a bearish, as we have discussed in a past webinar, previous webinar. Break the structure, right? Taken out the inducement, and then what happened here? This one is our first POI, which was here. First POI was here, and which is broken by this move. And as we have discussed in a previous webinar, this is our extreme demand, supply, when we can expect a downside move. And same thing happened here, market up here and gives you a small move. And this one is a refined zone. For the daily time frame, 1 hour is a refined order block, right? If you don't know, let me check this one. and extreme always high probability, as you know. Look at this zone, right? So when price tap on your refinement zone, like if you are mapping the 15-minute PUI, and then you have to refine 1-minute zone. Sometime you will see 2, 3, and sometime you will see one order block, right? If you see multiple order block, then you have to wait for to mitigate at least one order block, right? And then chalk, and then you can take entry, correct? But sometime you will see one order block like this, okay? So if price type here, the refine order block, and you are going to switch here in the same time frame, then you can sell here, correct? So price type on your extreme, then definitely you can sell here. Let me show you again in a daily time frame. Look at this one. This is our minor structure sweep here, right? I mean, internal structure sweep here, which is a strong indication that market actually looking for the reversal to the downside. So what we can expect here? We can expect if price broke this low, taken out this inducement and mitigate here something, and then definitely you can sell to the downside. Above order block available, why not consider? Which order block? This one, maybe here. But this side is also mitigate here. That's why I'm not taking this one. Look at this one. This side is mitigate this week. That's why I'm not taking. And this is a fresh order block. Yes, you will see 1 hour order block. Lots of order block is here. In a 5-minute, you will see multiple order block, right? But you have to check as per your entry time frame, as per your higher time frame. Okay, so this is the overall process in a daily time frame, in a 1 hour time frame. Flip entry kaise kare? I already make a video that how you can take entry in a flip. Flip means when demand convert into supply. For example, here, this is a supply is here. If price broke this one and candle close of it, correct? So what happened here? This supply convert into demand here. So we can buy here like this. Okay. So this is a flip, simple. You already done, boss. I think, sorry, GU already done. And similar thing happening in a UGU. Okay. Measure time frame to has to consider order block. Am I right? Exactly. What if there is a perfect 4-hour supply or demand zone, but lower time frame also no mitigate? When price type on your higher time frame PUI order block, then you have to refine the same order block in a lower time frame, right? Like you are using entry time frame 5-minute, okay? Then you have to check there. If you see if there is any unmitigated order block or not, okay? If everything is mitigated here, then you can take entry, whatever you want. When price type on your higher time frame PUI switch in a lower time frame, then you can take. Which session you trade? I trade mostly London and New York. Mostly in a New York. New York's very high volume that time. Can you show minor and major IDM? Minor major means I mentioned that you can understand like this in a 2 way. Major moves like here. These are minor, correct? Because this is a small move. But what happened here? If same like minor inducement, let me show you exactly. For example, here, this one, correct? This one is a broke structure. And then what happened here? This is an internal, right? So this is a minor inducement, correct? And this is a major inducement. Major inducement means larger range. If you see just previous here, what is this? This is a minor, right? Major is here. Major means which taken out already internal inducement or anything like this. Like this one, right? So this is a major and this is a small pullback. This is a minor, but we use minor major to confirm the higher high and higher low. For the entry, measure is high probability like this. Can you show your session setting? This is an indicator. Session is here. Let's check. Change the in a 5-minute time frame. You will see more better. Right. So these are session timing. Let's change this one. Right. Input is here. These are input as per my time zone. Right. And this setting is a default setting. Right. Okay. Is there any actual difference between inducement and liquidity? Liquidity means liquidity are different types can be, but inducement only one types. Structure broken and taken out the high, first recent high or low like this. If a structure is a bullish and taken out the first internal low, right? So this is a inducement, correct? And tap here and go higher. Again, break the structure is here, and then same thing happen here. This is an inducement, correct? But what is liquidity? Liquidity can be different types. First one is here. For example, market taken out the engineering liquidity, which is also liquidity. If market taken out this low, which is a major low, is here, right? Just sweep this one. This one is also liquidity. Okay, this one is called external liquidity. Okay, and market create equal high or low. Those are also liquidity. Supply demand liquidity. There are different types of liquidity. So please, can you share few more change of character example? Change of character are two types of change of character. First one is a measure structure, like this one, our structure, something like this. Okay. So this is a general structure. Let me show you exactly here. Lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and lower lows, lower high. Correct. So what happen if price go higher and break this one and close over it? So this become our valid change of character because momentum was various and candle close over it. So this become our like valid change of character. But what happened here? This is our internal structure. Like another scenario is here. Right. In this case, price type on your PY zone or sweep the higher low, and this is our lower time frame structure. This is a 1 minute structure. So where is your change of character in this case? Right. Where is your change of character? This one is a point. Let me change. This one is a point. And this one is our B point. So where is change of character, everyone? B. Obviously, because first high is a called always a change of character because price type on your demand zone. This is a lower time frame structure. In this case, if price go higher, just break this one, not close over. This one is also valid, right? But in this case, this one is not valid if price just sweep the liquidity. Okay. Difference between single candle order block and IFC. IFC create on top and bottom, correct? And single candle order block is also similar IFC candle. And these things will be covered in a next chapter in a 16 part related IFC, single candle mitigation, single candle order block, and inducement anti. So everything will be covered in this part, and maybe this part can be in 2 parts actually, because this is a big topic actually. Okay, now I think we should start quick question answer. I'm really confused about single candle order block. Single candle order block are very simple. Okay, single candle order block used on a specific point, not everywhere. For example, here, let me show you. This one is your supply zone, correct? So this one is your supply zone. So what happened here? You are looking here for the entry after change of factor. This one, right? So this one is your change of factor. After change of factor, what happened here? You are looking for sell after taking out the inducement. Okay, wait a minute. Sometime. Hello. Yes, sir. So after taking out the inducement, simply you can take entry here. For example, here, if everything is mitigated here, so how we can take based on the single candle order block? Taking out the inducement, as you know, we are looking for the sell after taking out the inducement. So at this point, if market create any single candle order block is here, let me change the color is here. And this candle can be any color, right? It doesn't matter that bullish or bearish, right? Like this. And the larger shadow is here. right? So what happen here? If price continue go higher, sorry, lower, and fill this one in the next attempt, this one is a called single candle order block, right? Continue price pushing downside and market mitigate this order block. So we can sell here, right? And push downside and stop loss just above it. Liquidity, are you a market? Yes, sir, I will do also, but let me finish this one first. Let me show you a lot of example here. Then you can understand very easily. Let's change the color in a 1 minute time frame. There are a lot of example, but I'm looking for relevant. Which one is here? This one is also here, right? Just example to understand, right? Taken out the inducement, mitigate this one, and this one is a single candle, and the next candle is here single candle. This one is also single candle until broken this low, right? And will be more better if you wait for the next video part, which will be cover all things based on the single candle base, single candle order block and sweep. Which time frame we should use? Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty and Bank Nifty we can use 5 minutes for the higher time frame and 1 minute for entry. As per single candle order block, you will get a lot of entries there, and everything mentioned in a ebook already, that how you can take entry. How many more videos will you make? Only one videos are left, and those one video can be in one part and can be in two part. It's depend when I will make video. So this thing will be decided. Can you make multi-time frame video also? Multi-time frame also mention pause in a 13 chapter number 13, 14 and 15 mention that how you can take entry based on the like putting all together video. Higher time frame to identification PY and lower time frame. Session liquidity important. Yes, session liquidity important. That time I check when session open and close, and in a between I don't check. But session gives you additional confirmation, right? First I mark the structure, okay, and if price tap on PUI based on also I get a session confirmation. So I use double confirmation always. सॉरी मैं गलती हो गया हूँ, गोल्ड कट ये हो गया, यस हो गया, उसमें कोई इतना अभी वो नहीं किया, सिर्फ एनालिसिस किया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आई विल अपलोड लेटर सो यू कैन रीवॉच. Mr. Khan, I have a question. If you are mapping a structure on daily time frame, market is a bullish, but price sweep weekly, daily, high, low liquidity, then market. So I have a two daily structure to shift job to consider market is exactly when market is a bullish or bearish in a higher time frame and taken out the previous day high or low, right? Then you have to wait for at least 15 minutes chop before the enter to consider this is a pullback in a higher time frame. Okay. When do you use the shadow because of PY if there is a no proper order block? I just recently uploaded video on YouTube that how you can identify shadow as a violet PY. Let me show you exactly one more time. Shadow means the next candle not mitigate them. For example, is here, right? So this is an entire order block is here, correct? So how we can take them? This shadow is here, which is a unmitigated here. So we can use in a future if market type here in a future, definitely we can take entry here for this sell. Correct. For example here, let me show you one more thing. This one is also shadow here, right? But this shadow is mitigated by this various candle, partially mitigated even, but this is a not much high probability compared to the first one because this is a fresh shadow here. Mr. Khan, how you can please explain my question? Where is your question? Mr. Khan, can you explain the indices US 13 as 100 a little different system because most of the time come to auto blocks, see the auto block, then what do you think? Let me check the NES 100. Okay. And this one is your NES 100 chart. What is double confirmation? Double confirmation means like one is a structure confirmation and second is a session, right? So those time you will get high probability entry. How to identify any session is a bullish or bearish? Everything mentioned in an ebook and video chapter that how we can identify them. Only one session, at least one session will be manipulated in a day. Please share your setup. Recently I share my setup on Discord. Those time ASEAN and London was bullish, and I mentioned that New York will be bearish. Please ask one by one. I had a question. Can you unmute me, please? You can text here. Single candle mitigation order block. If we do next candle to close below or even a sweep is enough. Sweep and then market gives proper like a proper imbalance everything. How much videos are remain? Only one videos are remain. Okay, and those one video can be in one part and maybe in a two part. It's depend. How to trade when price has mitigate both PY and still price in a both PY means that 15 minutes, sir. How to trade internal structure? When do you use 5 minutes? I use 5 minutes during session. हिंदी में 3.0 हिंदी में 3.0 नहीं आएगा उसका सेम वर्जन ऑलरेडी बनाया है वो सेम सिमिलर कंटेंट है it's taking too much time yes sir it's taking too much time because to make to create content it's not about 30 minutes 40 minutes or 1 hour to create any video it's take a lot of time actually I cannot make a video randomly because everything will be recorded and everything I will explain candle by candle because those things will be applicable for everyone. how to make a trading plan. Okay, I will mention these thing, like I will mention that how you can identifying your setup, like a trading plan from starting to end, how you can take entry, how you can identify structure, and what criteria you should follow, right? Everything I will mention. Maybe if possible, I will make a diagram proper. Can be back testing now. Back testing, I will make a video for the back testing. 2-3 parts I will make a video that how you can back testing, which will be more helpful for everyone. Then you can apply same principle every time. Please share session indicator. I already share everything. You can again look at this one, right? Suppose we have a chalk with a wick and market goes to taken out IDM. And then does a pause again, this time with proper closing. Then we should consider the. Please share your chart. Please share your question with chart uh, on Telegram. Then I can understand more better. I'm not understanding that what are you saying exactly. Sir, we can trade only session. Yes, sir, you can trade based on session. One video bank nifty. Yes, sir, I will make one more video that how you can trade in a bank nifty anywhere based on 5 minute and 1 minute time frame. Correct? What is exact definition? P decisional PY, how to identify them? It's a decisional PY after taking out the inducement. First pullback, sorry, first order block is our decisional PY. When we can take a risk for the buy or sell, 50-50% probability. Do you trade every day? In the last 2 months, I'm not trading last 2 months, December and January, entire month, but I recently started 2-3 days ago because as you know, I was busy to create content for you. That's why I'm not able to trade in the last 2 months. But I will do continue in every month and March everything. Continue. स्नाइपर एंट्री, स्नाइपर के पीछे मत भागो, स्नाइपर कोई ऐसे एंट्री नहीं होती कि स्नाइपर मेन चीज आपको प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए, चाहे स्नाइपर से हो, सिंगल कैंडल से हो, या फिर चौक पॉस किसी से भी हो. Please ask one by one. A lot of question. Please don't spam your message. I'm not able to read your question. Can we look at the gold? Yes, sir, gold already done. So you can watch later. I will upload on a Discord. Mr. Khan, who was your mentor? This is a long journey actually, not any specific person. I've learned a lot from a lot of mentors actually, and main thing I've learned from myself. Please ask one by one. I've received a lot of messages. Please don't spam. I'm not able to read your question. When we take entry without inducement, when market break the, sweep the previous high or low, then we don't need to wait for the inducement. For example, this one is a supply zone, correct? And what happened here? This one is a lower time frame structure, right? And this structure sweep here, okay? And then what happened here? We can sell here because this structure sweep this previous high, right? And this is an internal structure, right? So simply you can sell here like this. In this case, you don't need to wait for inducement and put the stop loss just above it because market already grabbed the liquidity. Okay. And then what happened here? Market go higher and push downside. In this case, you don't need to wait for inducement. If market create inducement, which is okay. This high close above it, then you need inducement like this and go higher. Sorry, like this. I got 3 chalk in a row. Chalk only one. Then how you are marking 3 chalk? Only one chalk is here. Which one is here? No other chalk is here. Question, where single candle sweep both are high, low. How do you mark the structure? I'm not type of movement. What if market manipulate? Please ask one by one. Too many questions. I lost previous week structure. Can you make a backtest video of previous week like 15 minutes too? Yes, sir. I will make a backtesting videos also for all Discord members in a different pair. First one in a forex pair, maybe GBP USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD in a one pair, and the next will be crypto for the Bitcoin, and third one for the Bank Nifty traders. Okay, so these 3 video will be upload, but don't ask me every time that when video will be published. When I'm free, okay, then I will make a video, these 3 video for you. It's take a lot of time actually. As you know, it's take a lot of time when I'm creating content. Okay, guys. So I think we should finish this session, and I will make the next video part on this weekend, if possible today, maybe tomorrow, but don't ask me again. Okay, then most of your question will be covered like ping pong and single candle order block, and these are question will be covered. When the next video? Sir, one video is left. I mentioned that I will upload maybe tomorrow, and maybe next day. Between 2-3 days, I will upload. And take some rest, everyone, and enjoy the content, and you can rewatch the chapter 1 to 15. Okay. If you have any question, if miss, then you can text me on Telegram, right? And I will answer you. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And I will upload on Discord as soon as possible this session. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.